Hey guys, I am back with another video today. I got these white Crocs and I wanna bedazzle them. I am going to be doing Jack Skellington's face from Nightmare Before Christmas. That little face right there that you guys see in the corner. That is what I'm gonna be doing. So I am beginning by filing off only in the areas that I know for a fact I will be bedazzling. So the smile area, the nose area, and the eyes. I am not doing the whole shoe. I'm not filing off the whole shoe because I'm not going to be blinging out the whole shoe. And I don't want it to be looking all matted everywhere. So I'm done with that. I cleaned off all the dust. And now I am going to sketch it out with a pencil. So in case I do mess up, I can just erase it. So as you can see right here, I am doing the eyes. I am doing it all by hand. I am following my guide, that little picture right there. I am following that guide and doing it freehand. As you can see, I did the eyes. I'm gonna do the smile now. And like I said, if you do mess up, you can go back and erase it. Right there, I didn't really like the smile, so I did go back and erase it a bit. And I just redid it. No problem. That's why we are doing it with a pencil first. So if we mess up, we can just go back and fix it. So once I'm done with the smile, I am going to do the nose right in the middle. This is how the other shoe looks. I'm guiding myself, making sure that both shoes do look as much alike as I can make them. So there goes that. Like I said, if you mess up, you can just go back and erase. So now that I am done sketching out, I did go over with a wipe and just clean off everything, all the little pieces of eraser. And now I am going over the pencil sketch with the Posca markers, the same ones that I used for the Sally Crocs that I did. If you guys didn't see that video, I will link it up here on the right hand corner for you guys, so you can go check that one out if you like. And I'm only using the black marker, that's all I need. I did all the outlines, the smile, the nose, and the eyes, and I am going to fill in the eyes because I'm going to bling those out with black rhinestones. So I am done filling this shoe out with the Posca marker. I went on ahead and did the other shoe, measured the smile so they can be almost the same size. Obviously it's kind of impossible to do them exactly the same, but just eyeballing it, you know, and going based off that. So that was super fast, super simple. As you guys can see, I am done doing both shoes and they already look super cool. I just went over and double checked everything. Like I said, I tried to make them as much alike as I could, and then they're ready to bedazzle. I did use E6000 to bling on the rhinestones. I am using a jet black rhinestone, a mixture of them. I'm not using a specific size. I am placing my glue evenly on the eyeball with a toothpick. I feel like that just helps me, you know, make sure all the glue is exactly where I want it. And then I use my mixture of rhinestones and place them on. If you like I say all the time, do your outline. That helps you work as a guide. So all you have to do after that is just fill them in. Like I said, I am using a mix. I'm not using any specific size for the eyes. So I am done with the first eyeball. Now I am going on to the second one. Like I said, do your outline and then fill in. Saves so much time and it's so much easier. So I wanted to make these Crocs because, like I said, I love Halloween and it's almost here. So I feel like these are perfect for Halloween time and for Christmas, so you can use them starting now all the way till Christmas time. And they're super simple. Overall, I feel like these shoes, to make both of them, it probably took me less than an hour. So it's a super easy DIY craft and super cute. So here you can see I am done with the second eyeball and I am moving on to the nose. So for the nose, you want to put a little bit of glue and then use your toothpick to blend it out and make sure it fits. So it's not clumped up and you don't have excess amount of glue. And then just apply your rhinestones. So now I am moving on to the smile. I still use the E6000. I just ran through the smile line very carefully with the glue. And then I just fixed it with my toothpick. So after that, I did use black rhinestones again, but this time I stuck to one size and I used the SS10. That is what I use for the smile line. For the crosses on the smile, I did use SS10, but then I added smaller rhinestones if needed. So when I did the crosses, I actually was taking glue off the bottle of the E6000 and I applied it with the toothpick so it could be easier application and there wouldn't be a mess everywhere since I didn't have the tip for the glue. So I am just about done here. Like I said, these came out super cute. I love how they look. It's such an easy, fast, and quick DIY craft on these Crocs. I suggest you guys try it out if you guys love Nightmare Before Christmas or Jack Skellington. And I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned because there is more Nightmare Before Christmas videos to come. So this is the final result. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.